Hello everybody, this is Adrina and today we are going to show you how to make a slime at home. So Adrina, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so first we need to measure 15 ml of the clear glue gel. So this is a clear slime, glue. So use your measuring cup. You want me to help you? We need 15 ml. Squeeze hard. Let me help you. Okay.
That's enough.
No, we have to get 15 ml. Hold on, let's put it on the table. This is about right. Okay. Let's put it away, and then we need 25 ml of water. Let me get a cup.
You can get it with these.
Have a seat. Should have made it ready. This is 15. Okay, so we need to pour this into the cup.
No, I can pour it.
Pour it. Okay. Now you need to clean your cup. Put the remaining inside the bowl. It's very sticky. Okay.
That's it. That's it.
Okay. Then we're gonna add water to it.
No, I can pour it.
Okay, that was 15. We need 10 more.
You also need this, Mom.
Okay, here. Pour the remaining.
This. You
pour more water into the bowl.
Pour more.
And then mix it very well with a stick. Once it's all mixed up, you're gonna add your color to the slime stick until it fully blends it. Okay? Mix well. It's not mixed completely.
Is the mix complete right now?
No, it's very watery. You need to mix well.
It's really watery.
Good enough. Nice. What color you wanna choose?
Purple.
Purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I get it.
Okay, so you can add your color to your mixture, and then you're gonna mix it. Bring it closer. Okay. Okay, you can add a little more. Good job. Well done. Do you think it's enough, or should add a little more?
Oh, I think it's enough.
Okay, let's add a little more. See, it's changing colors already.
Yeah.
Okay, mix it well. Once it's all mixed, we are gonna add 5 ml of the activator, which is this one. No.
No.
First, we need to measure it.
It even looks like water.
Alright.
And then what?
Pour it into the bowl and mix it very well. Oops, I got my hands. Can you continue from here, Adriana?
Yeah. It looks like slime.
Yep. It's getting hard. You need to mix very well, Adriana.
The audience, it looks like slime.
I got to keep like messing up. Well, it's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, what?
Alright.
Now it looks like slime.
You have to keep stirring, okay?
Yeah.